Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss the integration method of solving a differential equation. If this is your first time of viewing, kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Now, if you've watched my videos on introduction to differential equation, you see that I've given a fundamental background you need to have when it comes to differential equation. I also encourage you to go and read up the basics of integration and the differentiation, because these key topics will help you to excel when it comes to integration and differentiation. So today we're going to focus on the integration method of dealing with differential equation. Okay, so in the first question we have here, we have dy over dx equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. Now to solve this by integration, because we need to do away with this dy dx. If this dy dx is done away, it means we've solved this given differential equation. And to do away with it, you see that the only method can help us to do that is just the integration method. Because if I integrate this particular differential equation, it gives me an equation without this dy over dx. Okay, now so I have to integrate both sides, because in any equation, whatever you do to both sides makes it balanced. So I have to say I have to integrate the both sides, that is integral of dy over dx with respect to x is equivalent to integral of 3x squared minus 6x plus 5 with respect to x. Now this will cancel out. We just have integral of dy equals the integral of 3x squared minus 6x plus 5 with respect to x. Now whenever you have the integral of dy, it means you are just integrating a constant 1 with respect to y, because 1 times the y will give us back our dy. All right, so and whenever you integrate a constant like 1 with respect to a particular letter, it gives you that letter. If you read up the basics of integration, you understand what I'm talking about. So whenever you integrate 1 with respect to a given letter, you get that letter. So since I'm integrating 1 with respect to y, it will just give me y equals, to integrate this, I have 3x power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. You add 1 to the power, bring it down also. That's how to integrate. Minus 6x. This has no power, but just know that the power is 1. 1 plus 1. Bring the same thing down. 1 plus 1. Plus, if I integrate a constant with respect to a particular letter, the letter will be there, just like I did here. Plus c. So I will clean up here to complete this solution. Okay, so here I have that y equals 3x, 2 plus 1 will give me 3, all over 3, minus 6x, 1 plus 1 will give me 2, all over 2, plus 5x plus the constant of integration. So this cancels out. I'll have y equals x cubed minus 6 divided by 2 will give me 3x squared, then plus 5x plus c. This is just the solution to that given differential equation. So let's take the second one. Okay, in the second one we'll have x dy over dx equals 5x cubed plus 4. Okay, now for me to get what I want, there is x disturbing this dy dx, so I need to let this x leave this particular place so that this dy dx will stay alone. And this, if this dy dx stays alone and I integrate it with respect to x, you see that it helped me to get what I'm looking for. So because since x is here, I can say divide both sides by x, because whatever you do to both sides of an equation makes it balanced. So I will divide both sides by x. This x cancels this x, so I'm left with dy over dx equals, this x is being shared by 5x cubed and 4, so I can write 5x cubed over 3 plus 4 over x, this x plus 4 all over x. So this implies that dy over dx is the same thing as x cubed. X will cancel x cubed, it will give us just x squared. So I have 5x squared plus 4 multiplying 1 over x, because once 4 times is 1, I will get back my 4 all over x. Now at this point, let me take the integral of both sides. So I'll have integral of dy over dx with respect to x is equivalent to integral of 5x squared plus 4.1 over x with respect to x. This cancels out, so I'm left with integral of dy only, because the s has cancelled the x, equals integral of 5x squared plus integral of 4.1 over x with respect to x. So I'll clean up here to complete this. So at the end of the day, you see that this dy is just like saying 1 dy, and when you integrate 1 with respect to a particular letter, you get that letter. So this will give me y equals, this will be 5x 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 plus 4. If I integrate 1 over x, it will give me the natural logarithm of x plus c. The integral of 1 over x is just ln x, or logarithm of x. So take note, basic integrals. So at the end of the day, this will give me that y is equal to 5x power of 3 all over 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 4 ln x, then plus c. This is just the solution to this differential equation. So if you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you.